So when we use an interface, all we have is what's called like the method header, which is just the name, the return type, the access modifier. So when you say public class or public static, that's also part of it. But for our cases, we can just say int add. So we have to return an integer. We have to call the method add, and we have to take in two integers into the method called a and b. And then, we can define it like that in this class, but like, let's say maybe we have a class called, person for some reason, and we want to implement the math class. Maybe for a person, int add might be something like, maybe for a person, this might be something like, a plus a plus b. And this is still valid. And we return. And this is still valid because we used the same name that we needed to use, the int add. So we used int add, we used ab, and we returned an integer. So this is two examples of how to implement an interface.
Okay.
This is just telling us what we need to do, and this is us doing it however we feel fit we need to do it. A common example of this is compare to. Remember how with strings you use compare to? Well, if you made a student object and you implemented compare to, you can define that however you want. So maybe you want to compare students by grades or by names or by ID number, anything like that. So that works too.
Yeah.
So any questions on the